autumn's a great time to be in the garden. It's cooling down, you don't have to water so much, and you don't get so hot while you're planting. Here's some great things you can do in your garden this autumn in New South Wales. In autumn, you should be planting climbers. We have a great range in store. We have bougainvilleas, mandevillas and jasmine. My favourite climber is a jasmine. It has a beautiful perfume, a nice white flower, and the leaves are beautiful and glossy. Another great thing about jasmine is not only does it climb up and cover an ugly fence, but it can also be a ground cover. You can also get it with a variegated leaf to mix it up a little. Right now in New South Wales, we can also plant lavender, chrysanthemums and kalanchoes. They are sun-loving favourites. One tip for growing lavender is it doesn't love a lot of water or the humidity. Just don't plant too close together. There's a whole range of edibles that can be sown right now. Carrot and parsnip seeds are good to sow now, as are broad beans. Put in some lettuce and renew the herb patch with coriander, thyme and oregano. And of course, if you don't know what you want, come in store, see one of our experts, we'll sort you out. And don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants, except seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, return your plant with a receipt and we'll refund it. In March, all your hard work pays off when you harvest your watermelon, your zucchini, beetroot, cucumber, lettuce, coriander, tomato and chilies. There's plenty to do in the garden in March. You give your veggie patch a spruce up, remove any plants that are finished fruiting like cucumbers and lettuce. Feed other plants in the patch with fish and seaweed products. This will help improve plant resilience and health. Add some wetting agent to pots. This will help keep them moist. Finally, keep on top of your weeds. Autumn rains will give them a spurt on. Pull them out while they're young. Autumn is the best season for gardening. With a little bit of TLC, your garden will look fantastic. Get outside, get your hands dirty, it's good for your soul. And don't forget, there's a great range of products and plants in store. Come down, see an expert, get some autumn advice. Click here for more garden advice, click here to go back to the website.